everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can see, my username is different, and that is because I cannot get into my old account, Disco Curve 31. It really sucks, but I'm gonna have to be on this account for now. But that's not why I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video because they have a community celebration until January the 7th. So as you can see, there is new maps that are free to everyone right now, Suburbia and Farm Life. I want to check out Farm Life first, and then we'll check out Suburbia. But these are free right now for anyone to check out. Well, they're free, so anyone can get them. Not a realm. Did I press realms? I don't think I did. I think I pressed create new. Farm Life. So I'm going to press create. So I'm going to do like 1, 2, I'd say around 3 videos on this map. So if you would like to buy this map, you're looking at it, you're like, if it comes back in the store and it's not free, you're like, I don't know if I want this map yet. I'm gonna go and look up on YouTube if I like this map. Then you can, and I'll be here. So yeah, I'm assuming this is the farmhouse. I think so. Over here, nice carpet. There's a fireplace. I kind of like that. It's nice. Chairs. What's this? Baked oatmeal. That's cool. That's kind of creepy. What's this? There's coffee, strawberry sweet tea, blueberry pie. I threw the brownies. Burritos, chocolate bars, and money. This looks like coffee to me. This is a nice little kitchen. Little table, I guess. I don't know. But I like this kitchen. It's pretty nice. That's a shame. I can't see it. It's probably a chain, honestly. Yeah, it is too. So what's underneath the stairs? Nothing underneath the stairs. Okay. Upstairs, there's this cute little bookshelf over here. There's a bed thing. Yeah. So I kind of like how it's like the roof. We're in like the attic. That's really cool. So this is like the main bedroom. I'm gonna be honest, it's really spacious. There's lots of space. Maybe unneeded space. Like you could have filled in the spaces a bit better, in my opinion. But it is really cool, and for being free, of course I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm just complaining, but like, there's nothing really to complain about. It's free right now, so you know, I didn't pay for it. Grandpa, ZZZ. That's all you're gonna say, really? Okay. Kind of should have expected that. He's asleep. Okay. Sebastian. Keep calm and play the banjo. Beware of spiders. Beware of spiders? What? Wait, is that an outhouse? No way this works. There's no way this works. I can't even mine it. Whatever. Okay. These are the sheeps. There's poop. Look at the poop. Apparently these are goats. This might be a sheep right here. Maybe not though. That's a sheep right here. That's definitely a sheep. Okay. Okay. So what's this door thing? Hey there. I ain't got nothing to sell, but I suggest that you visit the farmer's market in Sunshine Town to buy like new machinery and seeds. It's not very far from here. Just make sure to bring some money or items to trade. Okay, what's in here? Wait. Okay, there's some hay right here. Ooh, the cows. Oh, okay. Are you friendly? chocolate bars. Anyway, these cows. There's a guy back here. What? Is there 2 skeletons? What? Okay, well, if you're gonna be doing a role play, I would recommend putting it on peaceful. If that is it too many? I don't think it does. Okay. Yeah. That's bad. That there's skeletons in there. Hello, Edgar. Make sure to keep your animals well fed. They eat and drink from the troughs. You can also feed them manually with various food. Thank you. There's just some hair up here, honestly. Is that it? Really? It's just here. Oat. I don't need poop. I'll keep the poop anyway. And then some more corn and some more oat. So oat and wheat are different then. Okay, because I thought that it was just like a different look. Maybe that's how you make oatmeal. That's cool. It's cool to think. Fine. We could have more. Okay. What should I hold? I'll hold my money. Flex how rich I am. Ooh, there's fence gates over here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Over here. Oh my gosh. Is that a tractor? I can ride a tractor too. If it actually allows this like... Wait, is it actually... Oh my god. That is so cool. No way. I'm not gonna do it all. That is actually... That's cool. Okay. What's that? I'll see if I can get that. What? A plane? Get out of this tractor over here. Wait, there's a lady over here. I'll go over to the plane in a second. Okay. There's a lady, Michelle. Talk to your crops. Hello, crops. How are you today? I've had a pretty good day myself, huh? Yeah. Okay, open doors. That's cool. Okay. Wait, what is open? I can actually run. This is fast. Can I go up? Oh, it's a horse. What? That's very cool. Okay. This is already amazing. Wow. Is there anything in here? I already checked this? No. Broccoli seeds, strawberry seeds, oat seeds, and lettuce seeds. There's the crops too and everything. What's down here? Okay, what's over here actually? Oh, is this like farming? Oh my gosh. No way. What? Is that a bird? Oh, is that a bird? No, it's a chicken. What do you mean, is that a bird? Come on, man. Come on, is that a bird? This is probably where they, What? What is it? Did I say last time? Oakfield Farm. Okay, so... This is like how you enter the farm. Wait, what? Fruit orchards. Sunshine Town. Well, I'll go that way later on. You know what? You haven't discovered all of the farm yet. We'll take a little trip over there, but you won't discover it. Very well. pigs. No. Oh, that's so cute. The mobs in this are so cool. Alex, if you want to feed two adult animals, they want a baby. That's just Minecraft now. What's over here, actually? Let's open that in a second. Ooh, there's another chair here. What's over here? Oh, the chickens. Bird eggs have been valuable food since prehistory. That's cool. Look at the chickens. Is that bees? Honestly, this would be a very good move. Maybe I should get like a couple of my friends on like Discord or something. We can all play Minecraft. And we can all like do like a roleplay. Where are you? This is a bee area. Bee gone. Is this the food for the bees, or no? It's just probably the flowers. What are you, Larry? If you respect the bees, bees will respect you. Ouch! I like that. These guys eating all the crops. They are too. These guys are kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie. There's hives. Yeah, I'm not gonna like get messy with the bees. If you see my bee, what I call a bee update or something. Yeah, if you saw that update video, you'll know not to touch the bees. Yeah, I'd recommend not touching them. Okay, we'll go down there once we discover everything down here. Megan guide. Hey. Harvest crops manually with your hands, or use the combine harvester. Use the tractor with a planter attachment to plant the seeds more efficiently if you don't want to do it all by hand. Okay. Walking in the sell your crops at the market, you will get rich. Okay, they're talking about the market in Sunshine City or something, Sunshine Town. I don't know, but I kind of want to go check that out. What's this? Are these pumpkin? No, that's not pumpkin plants because we grow pumpkins. That's not how they grow. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, there's some more strawberry seeds. More corn and more corn seeds. We'll go down. Okay, so this is more open land for building if you mind farming. Well, I think a lot of land on this farm is probably like north. when I'm done discovering it, like, a lot, like, in depth, going into every little thing, then I'm gonna do a brief overview of the entire map, just so that people that want to watch all the videos. So yeah, Svensson Farm, Pineville Farm. Wait, there's more farms. What? What's on here? Pineville Farm. That's cool. Okay. Well, I don't. We'll discover more